Hey everyone, Value Add Mike here today to discuss how to never get a deal again. For those who don't know, my name is Value Add Mike Taravella, and me and my partners have built a portfolio of over $65 million in commercial real estate, specifically in the multifamily space. And today I wanted to discuss how to never get a deal again. I know there's a looming recession, if we're not already in one. Interest rates have risen, affordability, all of these scary headlines are hitting the internet and just getting constantly thrown at you. But here are some things that I've heard recently that I want to make sure that you as an investor understand of when you say and think of these things, you will never get a deal again unless you stop saying these things. So I think the first thing that is an absolute deal killer is just saying, I'm going to pause or stop looking for deals. The moment you stop looking for deals, operators will no longer think of you as viable investors. Brokers will never look at you as a viable buyer because we always have to be on the hunt for deals and looking for opportunities. And so when you say I'm pencils down because of X external event or because of Y, you will never get a deal again. So always be looking for opportunities to make sure that you're continuing to grow and add to your portfolio. Another thing that I see that is an absolute killer when it comes to deal flow is saying things are overpriced. Because just because you aren't the particular buyer for a deal or an investor on a deal doesn't mean that it's a good deal for someone else. A lot of savvier investors coming into the space are looking and saying, hey, this cash on cash doesn't hit my targets, so I may tell the broker I think it's overpriced. But the broker is going to get that price because it's a 1031 buyer may come in from New York or California and not want to pay taxes in Florida. So just because you're not, just stop saying that things are overpriced. Just say these are this metric, investor return, IRR, cash on cash. It doesn't work for me and my investors, and that's okay because you're still going to keep looking for opportunities and continue to grow. Another thing that's an absolute deal killer when looking for deals is saying that I'm going to wait for the crash. There's always good opportunities in any environment. Sometimes it may be harder or easier depending on the market cycle we're in. But once again, you always have to keep looking for opportunities. And if you're waiting for the crash like everyone else, you're going to be in the back of the line waiting for the opportunities, saying there's no deals for me. So those are the three things I think all investors need to stop saying because there are opportunities to be had. They may be harder, interest rates going up, whatever it may be. There are still opportunities to buy good deals that hit your investor return. So keep looking out. If you want to learn more about our investing opportunities, there's a link in the description for opportunities and just get our investor updates. And until then, we will see you next week.